Hello and welcome to Prodigrow. Today we're going to talk about habits and how they can help us adopt good behaviors or overcome bad ones. Have you ever wondered how some people manage to adopt good habits and stick to them, while others struggle to overcome bad habits? The answer lies in the power of habits themselves. Claude Hopkins, an advertiser 100 years ago, used his knowledge of neuroscience to convince people to adopt brushing their teeth daily. He achieved this by decoding the three key ingredients of habits: cue, behavior, and reward. Habits are tasks we perform subconsciously, such as walking or high-fiving. They are formed when new neural pathways are created in our brains by repeating a behavior. The more a brain circuit fires, the easier it becomes for our brain to do that task without conscious thought. According to Claude Hopkins, a cue is something that triggers a behavior. A reward is what follows that behavior. Claude convinced people to brush their teeth by triggering the behavior with the slimy film on their teeth in the morning, and offering a prettier smile as a reward. However, he didn't anticipate that over time people would start craving the minty tingle that Pepsodent toothpaste left in their mouths, creating a strong habit. Scientists have discovered that rewarding a behavior can actually create a craving, making habits much stronger. Special neurons in the brain can fire and give us chemical rewards. Over time, the physical structure of the brain is changed, and new neural pathways are created. To adopt a new habit or overcome a bad one, repetition is key. The amount of time differs between tasks and individuals, but making a habit requires constant repetition. The brain is a super flexible organ, constantly changing in response to learning, moving, and hunger. The chemistry of the brain is constantly changing, but over time, repeated behaviors change the neural network, creating new neural pathways. In conclusion, Claude Hopkins' successful toothpaste advertising campaign was based on his knowledge of the power of habits. By triggering the behavior with a cue and offering a reward, he created a strong habit. Scientists have since discovered that rewarding a behavior can create a craving, and the key to adopting new habits or overcoming bad ones is repetition. The brain is a flexible organ that is constantly changing, making it possible to create new neural pathways and adopt new habits. So there you have it, the power of habits and how they can help you adopt good behaviors or overcome bad ones. Thank you for watching, and be sure to subscribe to Prodigrow for more videos on personal growth and self-improvement.